Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Who became the first Indian woman to hold the position of Prime Minister in 1966? Right answer is option B, Indira Gandhi. Which pioneering Indian woman became the first to be awarded the Bharat Ratna for music? Right answer is option B, MS Subbulakshmi. Who was India's first female IPS officer appointed in 1972? Right answer is option A, Kiran Bedi. Which Indian woman became the first to receive the Gnanpith Award in 1976? Right answer is option B, Asha Purna Devi. Who was the first woman to drive an auto rickshaw in India in 1988? Right answer is option A, Sheila Davre. Which Indian woman became the first to be crowned Miss World in 1966? Right answer is option C, Rita Faria. Who was the first Indian woman astronaut to go to space in 2003? Right answer is option B, Kalpana Chawla. Which woman became India's first female dentist practicing between 1922 to 2021? Right answer is option A, Vimal Sood. Who became the first female doctor in India after graduating in 1887? Right answer is option B, Anandi Gopal Joshi. Which Indian woman created history by winning the first Booker Prize for India in 1997? Right answer is option C, Arundhati Roy. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court in India in 1991? Right answer is option A, Leela Seth. Which woman became the first Indian to win a gold medal at the Asian Games in 1970? Right answer is option B, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984? Right answer is option B, Bachendri Pal. Who became the first female Union Minister of India in 1947? Right answer is option B, Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. Who was the first female teacher in India starting her work in 1848? Right answer is option A, Savitri Bai Phule. Which Indian woman was the first to receive the Ashoka Chakra in 1987? Right answer is option B, Neerja Bhanot. Who became the first Indian woman pilot in 1936? Right answer is option B, Sarla Thakral. Which woman became the first president of the Indian National Congress in 1917? Right answer is option A, Annie Besant. Who was the first woman ruler of India during 1236 to 1240? Right answer is option A, Razia Sultan. Who was the first woman to serve as an army officer in India in 1943? Right answer is option B, Lakshmi Sahgal. Which Indian woman became the first to win a WTA tennis title in 2005? Right answer is option A, Sania Mirza. Who became the first female Nobel Prize laureate from India in 1979? Right answer is option B, Mother Teresa. Which Indian woman became the first female Rafale pilot in 2017? Right answer is option B, Shivangi Singh. Who was the first female train driver in India? Right answer is option A, Surekha Yadav. Who was India's first female engineer? Right answer is option A, Ayala Somayajula Lalita. Who created history as the first woman to graduate from Bombay University in 1889? Right answer is option C, Cornelia Sorabji. Which pioneering woman became India's first female governor? Right answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first female lawyer in India enrolled in 1894? Right answer is option B, Cornelia Sorabji. Which Indian actress is recognized as the first woman to act in Indian cinema in 1914? Right answer is option C, Durga Bai Kamath. Who became India's first full time female finance minister in 2019? Right answer is option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. Which Indian woman broke barriers by becoming the first female neurosurgeon in the country? Right answer is option B, Tanjavur Shantana Krishna Kanaka. Who was the first female chief minister of an Indian state in 1963? Right answer is option B, Sucheta Kriplani. Which Indian woman became the first female entrepreneur in modern India in 2001? Right answer is option B, Kalpana Saroj. Who was the first Indian female to be appointed as an IFS officer? Right answer is option A, Chunira Beliappa Muttamma. Which Indian scientist was the first woman to work in the Indian Scientific Service? Right answer is option B, Kamla Sohoni. Who became the first woman defense minister of India in 2017? Right answer is option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Which Indian woman made history as the first to serve as a barrister living between 1866 to 1954? Right answer is option B, Cornelia Sorabji. Who became India's first female airline pilot in 1959? Right answer is option A, Durba Banerjee. Which woman was the first Indian diplomat appointed in 1959? Right answer is option C, Chunira Beliappa Muttamma. Who was the first Indian woman to hold the position of President of the country? Right answer is option C, Pratibha Patil. Which Indian woman fighter pilot was among the first batch to be commissioned in 2016? Right answer is option B, Bhavna Kant. Who was the first female health minister of independent India in 1947? Right answer is option B, Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. Which woman was the first educated female in India and became a social reformer in 1848? Right answer is option A, Savitri Bai Phule. Who was the first Indian female music composer in Indian cinema in 1951? Right answer is option B, Jatan Bai Hussain. Which Indian woman fighter pilot appeared in the IAF Republic Day tableau in 2021? Right answer is option B, Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant. Who was the first Indian woman Rafale fighter jet pilot in 2021? Right answer is option A, Shivangi Singh. Which Indian woman musician was the first to perform at the United Nations General Assembly in 1966? Right answer is option A, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Who became the first Indian woman to serve as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha in 2009? Right answer is option B, Meera Kumar. Who was the first Indian woman to successfully swim across the English Channel in 1959? Right answer is option A, Arati Saha. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in 2000? Right answer is option B, Karnam Malleswari. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.